Hello artists, welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today's art project is fun and silly. We are using symmetry to create a character or creature who is a member of our community. This project can help us express who and what we love in our community in a really fun and imaginative way. Let me walk you through each step to get started. First, select a color of construction paper for your creature or your character. Second, fold the paper in half the long way like this. Third, write your name large along the crease of the folded paper. Double and triple check that you are drawing on the crease. Also, really try to stretch your name out far so that it touches both ends of the paper. Fourth, cut a bubble around the letters of your name like this. Remember to dispose of your scraps responsibly. Recycle them or set them in a scrap bin so that the paper can have a second life. The earth will thank you. Finally, you can unfold your paper to reveal your organic symmetrical shape. Your shape should be identical on both sides of the crease and should be a unique shape other than a square, rectangle, triangle, or another geometric shape. Your next job is to dive deep into your mind and imagine how to transform this organic, symmetrical shape into a creature or a character. Even more, you can dress them in clothes that expresses who or what you love about your community. Yours could be a doctor, a lawyer, a ranger, painter, officer, mail person, or something else. First, give your organic, symmetrical shape a silly face. Second, give your organic symmetrical shape clothes that represent a community member of your choice. Do remember to take short breaks to take care of your fingers, hands, and wrists. Your mind and your body will thank you. Finish your silly creature or character by adding lots of color, texture, and more to show off your amazing artistic abilities. As a final step, I recommend using a separate piece of paper to add props for your character or creature. Since I chose to turn mine into a three-eyed bird watcher, I chose to add 3 little birds out of blue scrap paper. While I finish my creature character, begin to think about what type of community member you would like to create. Yours can be a farmer, athlete, veterinarian, or something else. You're the artist. Let your mind run wild with this art challenge. I do hope you try this in your own style. Create a creature or character that represents a community member out of an organic, symmetrical shape. Yours can be a doodle or a masterpiece. Either way, happy making, artists. Enjoy.